About 90% of people use YouTube to discover new brands and products. Armed with the right strategy, you can attract more people to your YouTube channel and convince them to try the products or services you're promoting. The problem is that there's much work involved, from creating and editing your videos to promoting your channel for better visibility. It can become too much for one person to manage. Hence, the need to outsource some of your work so that you can continue making great content and growing your YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the most relevant gigs from Fiverr's top sellers, manually handpicked by Fiverr to bring you the Fiverr YouTube Store. Here are the means by which you can make the most of it. Create outstanding videos. It is known that for a YouTube channel to be successful, it needs to have quality content first, among other things. You can work with professional editors on Fiverr to take your videos up a notch and add value for your viewers. These editors will help you add special effects, copyright-free music, sync sounds, and correct colors, and more so as to create videos that stand out. Check out some of Fiverr's top video editors in the Fiverr YouTube Store in the description below. Use thumbnails that get people to click. There are two things that people usually look at before deciding to watch a video: the title and the thumbnail. The title of the video helps them to understand relevance, while the thumbnail gives them a glimpse of video quality. So if you want to get more people to view your videos and subscribe to your channel, then you need thumbnails that pop and instantly catch the eye. You can find some of Fiverr's handpicked thumbnail designers in the YouTube Store. They can help you choose the right images, text, and graphics, and edit them to create compelling thumbnails for your videos. Nail your intros and outros. The intro is what gets people to continue watching your video when they decide to click on it. The outro is where you get them to take action when they get to the end of your video. For example, like and subscribe. You can master these two essential elements with Fiverr's professional video editors who specialize in creating intros and outros for YouTube videos. These editors will add your channel logo, text overlay, and other graphic elements that are needed to spice up the intro and outro sections of your video and make them stand out. Some will even add background music and sound effects to deliver the desired impact. Get your branding right with custom art. When you want to build your YouTube presence, channel branding is everything. That is, to create a banner art that properly mirrors your channel identity with the right colors, fonts, and graphics. You might also need custom channel arts for different events like New Year, Christmas, etc. You can get help by working with Fiverr's custom art designers in order to create attractive YouTube banners and channel art that portray what your channel is about. Add subtitles and captions. You can reach a wider audience and increase your subscriber count by adding subtitles and captions to your videos. Fiverr's freelance subtitlers and caption editors can help you do just that in any language of your choosing. They will transcribe your videos and also add subtitles in Chinese, English, French, Spanish, and more. Same as the other categories, you can also find some of Fiverr's top freelancers who provide subtitle and caption services in the Fiverr YouTube Store. Improve your YouTube ranking for higher visibility. You get more visibility and improve your chances of getting more views and subscriptions when your videos rank higher in relevant YouTube searches and keywords. You can get your titles and descriptions optimized with the right keywords and boost your YouTube ranking by working with Fiverr's handpicked freelancers. Engage with influencers to expand your reach. You can expand your reach and drive relevant traffic to your channel by working with the right influencers who can help you grow your YouTube presence plan and carry out an effective influencer marketing strategy with Fiverr's freelance guest bloggers, advertisers, and influencers. You can take a look at Fiverr's top influencer marketing freelancers on their platform. Promote your channel more effectively. Your promotion efforts may not always have the kind of impact that you anticipate. That's okay, because when you're juggling with too many things, you can't always dedicate the kind of time and effort that is needed to promote your channel. Work with Fiverr's freelance marketers so as to promote your channel and get faster growth. These marketers will help promote your videos organically by getting into niche-related playlists, highlighting them in suggested or related videos, and more. They will also help to run targeted ads to help you reach a relevant audience. Here's a quick look at some of Fiverr's top freelancers who provide YouTube promotion services. Monetize your channel using merch. Aside from helping in monetizing your YouTube videos, channel merch also helps you market your channel to a much larger audience. When people use or wear your merch, they are helping you take your message to the streets. Fiverr's handpicked designers will help you create custom t-shirts, stickers, and packaging that stand out so that you can effectively promote your channel. Here are some of Fiverr's top freelancers in merch design. Get faster YouTube growth with Fiverr. Your YouTube channel could see a significant growth in a matter of some few months with the right promotion strategies. Take advantage of Fiverr's YouTube Store to find experienced freelancers who can edit your videos, create custom art, and promote your videos for faster growth. You can find a link to this store in the description below. Also, make sure to save this video so as to easily access it.